what time it is. It's 5 o'clock on Wine Wednesday. Big things happened today, so I put on some fun earrings, no makeup. And yeah, let's just, whoa, watch me break something. Let's get to our spot. Get to our spot, get to our spot. So my air is out right now and it's super hot in here, a little warm. So let's make this short and sweet, kind of like my redneck girl wine glass. I'll leave a link to that if I can find it. All right, we're set up. We're locked and loaded. This is gonna be fun. I should have done this a long time ago. Okay. I went to go get a bottle of red wine and this caught my eye because it said Pinot Noir Rosé. I don't think I've had this before. Let's give it a little taste. I want to try to mix this up for you guys so it's not the same. Let's watch Danny wash her face for the 15th day in a row. That is good. Probably should be chilled. Cheers, happy Wine Wednesday. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. I just got my hair done. I look so pretty. After yesterday, looking at my video that I posted, I was like, ick, I need to get my hair done. So, I also need to get my face done. Today is day number 5. Commitment is on point. I'm wearing my really cute Vogue Needs More Redheads shirt. Thought it was fitting. If you hear Reese panting in the background, it's because, like I said, my batteries are done in my thermostat and I'm out of AA's. So as soon as we're done with this video, we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna clip my hair back and let's do this. My skin today is looking pretty good. I noticed this spot is getting a little, oh, what's the word? It's getting a little, oh, what's the word? Help. Fill in the blank with a word below and what I'm trying to say. Flaky. Flaky, that's the word. Okay, flaky it is. So we want to keep this flakiness going. And hopefully Nakona doesn't eat the cat. Step 1 is to exfoliate and smooth. And we're just gonna jump right in. This is a 2-minute facial peel that tends to be 15 minutes because I'm doing it. I just got my hair done, so I might have a little bit of dye. Hopefully the cat doesn't die. They're always quiet until I go to do this, which is so irritating. Yeah, today was a good day. I'm celebrating a small step in some things in my life. I had a few sales and I also did a TikTok video. And if you're watching this, hopefully TikTok is still a thing. If you're watching this like 5 years from now. Oh my God. Stop. Stop. Oh my God. All the things are happening right now. All the things. We're gonna do step 1 until this wipe is dry. And then I need to get my air on because I'm literally sweating profusely. It's probably like 90 degrees in here. I am super tired. I did not sleep very well last night. So, because I'm burping up wine. Leave him alone, please. Yeah, you tell your sissy, leave me alone. Oh my God. I'm gonna try to talk less and work more. So right now I'm feeling like I need a bottle of this. This wine is really good. It's So this is a Pinot Noir that obviously is mixed or has some type of a skin on it. The grape. Skin. It's all about skin. I think what makes a rosé is the grape. The skin on the grape, maybe? I drink. Technical difficulties, we're back. Like I was saying, the skin on the grape, I think, is what makes the color of the wine the color it is. I am not a somm. I'm just a drinker. So, that's that. What is this bottle? I kind of didn't really show it. This is a French Pinot Noir Rosé, made in Connecticut. Okay. It's very good. It's actually, it is sweet, but it's not too sweet. The back says it's very supple and pleasant, with slight flavors of pink candies. It will accompany barbecue or any other summer dishes. Pairs great with red hair. So I'm gonna do my neck quick. I did not wear a low cut shirt today, so I can't hit my chest. That's what I forgot. Those bones. This is why I play music. Behind. Okay. Step 1 is complete. I need to wash my face better next time. I didn't even wash my face before this. That's probably the first problem. So I did not wash my face before this, and I can literally see today's dirt. Solid. These wipes work. Look at that. Well, we can't have it together all the time. It's so hot in here. The glow is from these, but it's also from sweat. Okay, continuing on. 2 minutes to pure perfection. Feeling it. I'm just dipping my finger back in because that wipe kind of grossed me out. Okay, so I'm gonna let that just kind of dry for a second. I really, really like this shirt. Whoa. This shirt is just so Vogue. I thought I was so clever coming up with this. Nah? I like how just like putting earrings on and like a t-shirt makes me feel like I'm on top of the world. Okay. So this was day 5 and I have this many more to go. I'm feeling this. I will leave a link in the description below to buy these for yourself to give them a little try. And everything else you see in this video will be in the description below. All right, step 2, ripping it out. Anti-aging. This feels good. Feels real good. I am trying to press somewhat hard. And as you can see, I'm getting a little red from doing that. I definitely feel more sensitive today than I have any other day. Not just my emotions, but my skin. I sometimes forget that like I'm a woman and it's okay to cry, hence the bags under my eyes. Life has been pretty traumatizing the past few months. Very traumatizing. And I can't wait to share that story with you. Because life is not easy. And it's not supposed to be. This shirt is really picking up like the light from the window. Sorry if I'm super washed out. I love too how red hair makes my eyes look so freaking blue. It's like my favorite thing about red hair. You would think the blonde would pull it, but it doesn't. I'm a natural blonde. I'm sure you know that. But if you're just tuning in, or you're a longtime viewer, thanks. Hopefully this is enjoying for you. All right. This is almost dry. Oh, I didn't do the backs of my hands. Oh, the other one. All right, so I'm gonna hit the backs of my hands with this wipe because I forgot to with that one and it was really dirty and I was not gonna put that on my body anymore. Feel a hair hanging off me. Trying to get some of the red dye off my face. But you can definitely see that I am flushed, I'm red. These wipes are definitely working. This is 5 days in. So there is a sample pack of these that you can buy for 5 days. But honestly, go big and just get the damn pack. Just get it. It's worth it. As you know, anytime you do skincare and you do any type of product, anytime you start a new hobby, like you're not gonna be good that first time, okay? You're just not. You're not gonna notice results that first day of a new workout. You're not gonna notice the results that first day of a diet, of a new business, of anything really. So just go big, get the pack, do it up. I'm feeling it. It's kind of crazy to know that I have so many more days of this. So this wipe is almost dry. It definitely, you know, I feel sticky, like you can see my skin sticking to my hand. But the stickiness doesn't last. You feel sticky just like immediately after the treatment, and then after, I don't know, I would say 10 minutes, the stickiness kind of goes away. And it could just be from the product sinking into your skin. Not real sure. But it's as simple as one, two in the garbage. All right, that was day 2. Now we wait. If you watched this far, thanks for having a glass of wine with me. Wine Wednesday is like my favorite day of the week besides Sundays because I really love brunch. I'm like slamming this, I'm so thirsty. Okay, feeling it. I'm feeling a cover model ready. I need to bring back Wine Wednesday videos. I need to do that. Maybe this is the new beginning. Subscribe to my channel, shop the links in the description below, and you know, I don't know, tell me I look pretty in the comments. Day 5 is a wrap. 25 more to go, or 26, I lost count. 31 days minus 5. 26 more days, I do know how to do math.